What's up guys? Today we're going to be doing some more mods to the Subi. If you guys saw in the last video, as you can see by the sticker, we threw on a Tome. So now that the car sounds good, we need to start doing some interior mods. So I picked up a likewise shifter. So I actually have a likewise shifter in the BMW, and I think I showed that in the 6-minute build, but I really like their shifters and they're like super high quality. So I had to get one for the Wrx, and I've been wanting this shifter for the longest time, the death grip, and I got a matching drift button to go with it. So yeah, let's open this box up. This is like one reason I really like Likewise, is because they're just like super high quality and their boxes open like iPhones. I think that's so sick. But here it is. I went with the color purple. It says up on the website. And look at this, guys. The color, it looks so good. So here is how the shifter looks. This looks crazy, and like this engraved, I don't really know what to call it, but it looks really good. I'm really liking how this looks. I've been wanting this since the day I found out about Likewise, and here it is. It's finally for my dream car, but this is looking super good. Now let's open up this Likewise drift button. Alright, so I got the drift button opened up. Sounds like something else is in there. I think it comes with an Allen. I don't really know what for. I don't really know what that would be for. But here is the drift button. Comes a little Likewise. This is gonna be so sick. And as you can see, I got the same color and the pointy one just to match the death grip. So we have that, and I also have this adapter so it can fit on the Wrx. But now that we got those all unboxed, I'm gonna start taking off this stock shifter so we can start throwing the Likewise shifter on. Okay, so this is something that I really wouldn't like film for a YouTube video, just like a little install like this, but I think since I am doing, I do want to do like a full Wrx build once it's fully finished, maybe like at a year or something. So I want to like get every single thing I do to it, because I didn't really do that with the BMW. It'll be in the cards on some side. It was pretty much all pictures, so I want to have a ton of videos for the build. But let's start taking off the stock shifter. Alright, so I didn't really look up any videos on how to take this off, so I'm just gonna see if I could just screw it off. The BMW's is really weird. You had to like pull it, but yeah, I don't think you pull that. I don't know how this would work. It kind of just seems like this car would have one like that. I don't really know. Ooh, there it is. This is what I like about newer cars. They have stuff like this. The BMWs was so hard to get on for that first shifter, but the Likewise one's pretty nice. But the stock shifter is off. This is like super small. The Likewise is gonna be like super tall on it. But I'm gonna put this over here. Alright, so now I don't really know how to get it straight, so I'm just gonna throw it on and try it out and see where it sits, and then I'll keep trying over and over again. Alright, so I'm gonna start threading on the adapter, just see where it sits. Okay, so here is the adapter. I really like it how it came in green. I think that's really cool. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this one would just go on the bottom, or at least that's what I'm thinking. I'm not too sure, but I think that's how it'd go. Because I see a lot of people's shifter videos and they never get it straight, so I really want mine to be like pointed straight at me. So we're just gonna see where this fits. Because I'd get OCD if I were to like, if it wasn't straight. So I'm gonna try hard to get it nice and perfect. Just see where this sits. I hope it doesn't come off inside of it. It's crazy. I kind of thought it wasn't gonna look good because like the car's blue, like red interior and all this, but I really think like the purple just looks great inside here. Of course, okay, it's literally pointing straight this way, so, but it looks freaking sick. Oh, I love how short the throw is on Wrx's too. Alright, wow, this looks really cool. I can't wait to drive around. Okay, so I'm gonna hope these don't come off. Please. Oh, I think they, oh no, they aren't good. Alright, so I don't really know how to fix that. Oh, it did. You know what, we're just gonna try this again. Look. Again? Guys, so pretty much I couldn't really get the shifter perfect. So it's kind of facing my way. I don't really mind. I kind of think that looks pretty cool right there. I'll probably come back to it and take a picture once I get it straight, but now I'm gonna start working on this. I'm pretty sure you just unscrew this just like this. So I'm gonna put the phone back up and we're gonna start trying to take this off. I'm trying to beat the sun right now, so let's see if we can get this on real quick. Oh my gosh. Look how cool that already looks. Alright, we're gonna start putting this other one on. So I'm just gonna try spinning this, which I don't think will work. Pretty sure that's... Oh, I was sliding back. I hope I'm still in frame. I'm just... Oh, first time shifting. Y'all get to see this. Oh, that's crisp. Oh, I definitely need a short shifter now. That'd feel crazy. Alright. So I'm just gonna try and use pliers because it's not like I'm gonna be like using this anymore. We're gonna take a little bit of care of it. But, yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh. Honestly, I'm just gonna do it. No, I'm not. No! Oh my gosh, I am so dumb. I just dug into the e-brake. Well, now I have like no idea how I'm gonna get this off. Okay, so the sun's going down. No, I dropped my drink. No. Okay, that's sad. So I dropped my drink. I got the stock one off. It's like super scratched up now, but it's not like I'm gonna put it back on. So pretty sure I gotta take this spring out, or that's what I saw in a video. Oh shoot, we're losing stuff. It was super hard to get this out. I don't know why. It was like there was like glue on the threads or something, but yeah, let's just start throwing this thing on. I hope it works. No way it's that easy. Please just be that easy. I don't think it's that easy. Maybe it is. Who knows? Seems like it's angry. Wait up. Let me just like get a key with this. There's like this blue stuff. If I'll ever like have this happen. Okay. Let's hope it goes in that way. Probably won't, knowing this one. Okay, so it's like this. So if I put it like this, if I put it straight like this, it should go straight. Literally same spot, I don't care. Okay, there it is. Let's see how this works. 'Cause I'm honestly... Well, I thought you were... Well, I mean, I guess that looks good, but shoot, I can't freaking let my e-brake down. What do you do now? What do you do when your e-brake can't go down? Should I have left this in there? I'm gonna try that. I'm just dumb or something. Oh! Wait up. I thought drift buttons... Okay, I'm probably like way back now. But I was thinking drift buttons, you just like yank it and it works, but I don't really know. I'm gonna get this all figured out. But honestly, that is not how it's supposed to work. But you know what? We're good. I don't care. We successfully beat the sun, but there it is, guys. The likewise shifter. Look how crazy this looks. There's my spilled drink. but oh my gosh. Like this like really made the interior look good. Like I really don't know what all to do because I like the heated seats and I don't really want to lose my cruise control. So I thought doing that would be like the perfect thing to do. And just look at that. That looks so good. Wow. Okay. So tonight I'm gonna look up some videos and see how the drift button works and try and get that nice and straight. But right now they're in place and they look pretty good. I'm liking it. So tomorrow I'll pick up the video and show y'all where I'm at. But right now it's honestly looking really good. I really like it. Hey guys, so it has been around 2 weeks since I filmed that last video. But here's how the car is looking. I put a banner on the windshield. I have that same banner on the BMW and I really like it. We got the tow mate from the last video. I need to do some adjustments. It could be just a little bit closer to the top of that, and I kind of want it to be more in the middle, so just a little bit of adjusting should get it straight. But overall it's been really nice. I do want to go louder soon, but that's for another video. But here is how the shifter is looking. It honestly gave the interior such a good look. Alright guys, as you can see I have the likewise shifter straight and it looks really good inside of the car. It wasn't even that hard either. All you had to do is use 2 wrenches and just kind of mess around with the adapters and kind of just tighten them in different places, and eventually you get it straight. It took me about 30 minutes or so, and then I got the drift button to sit straight, and it honestly looks so good. I don't remember if I showed you guys how the drift button works while installing it, but all you do is just pull this back and it drops down. There's no clicks, so it just falls, and whenever you want to lock it, you just pull it up and click this forward, and that is it. It's super nice. I honestly really like it more than all the clicks and having to kind of try hard to get it down. I think this is really good, and it just looks way better having this in the car than the stock one. One of my favorite parts about Likewise is how crazy their shifters are. Like, you really can't find anything like this anywhere else. Like, the designs for them are just super cool, and drift buttons too. I've never seen anything like this before I started following Likewise. So I really suggest you guys go look at their stuff. They have really cool shifters and drift buttons and just cool stuff for your interior. So there will be a link in the description down below to Likewise's website, so you guys can go check out some of their shifters. I've been driving it for a little while now, like I said, and shifting just feels super cool. I really like this, the way it feels. I don't really like the little ball shifters or anything too short. I honestly like this because in the BMW for a long time I had a long one like this, and it just feels weird to shift with my hand facing down. So I really thought this would be a good shifter for the Subaru. But that's pretty much all for today, guys. You guys got to see the install and a little review since I have been driving around for a little bit. And I do recommend y'all go look at their shifters. They have a lot of cool stuff on their website. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I got a ton of videos coming soon. Now that it's summer, I just have a bunch of time to make videos for you guys. So y'all be ready for those. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.